are definitely off to a quiet start early on. Today is really going to be the calm before yet another winter storm gets closer to the state line. Cloud cover and dry conditions are expected for today, but tomorrow snow arrives, bringing a potential for several inches. Right now, though, we're even seeing some sunshine on that horizon. Soak up all the rays of sun as you do see them this morning. Cloud cover is going to quickly end up taking over. It sticks with us throughout our entire day as temperatures climb into those mid-40s. We'll hit 45 degrees at 4 p.m., then we'll end up slowly cooling off as we continue to stay dry. You might notice a light breeze through the afternoon as well, with winds gusting near 20 miles an hour, very similar to what we saw the last few days. Into tonight, we'll drop into those low 30s, still staying dry even through your Thursday morning. It's really not until Thursday afternoon does that snow arrive, and a lot of these winter alerts go into effect. We'll see a winter storm watch for most of that state line go into effect tomorrow. Doesn't expire until Friday morning, featuring a chance to see several inches of snow, especially through Thursday night. But as of right now, that system is a little ways from home. It's slowly developing along the west coast, and it'll slowly start to track through the country, bringing us that snow heading into tomorrow afternoon and overnight on Thursday. We'll end up seeing a lot of this activity moving in throughout the afternoon into tomorrow. This is just one example of how this entire system may come into fruition. Notice the further south that you are, the better chance you have of having a little bit more rain mixed in. That activity will move in as we head into Thursday afternoon. Here's about 2:30. Heading through the evening hours, through your evening commute, already going to see a lot of that snow flying, so may already see those impacts. Notice that a lot of that heaviest snow wants to stick along that state line, as we do have a greater chance of picking up the most snow the further north that you go. You'll notice, though, we do end up seeing a lot of that activity overnight. Heading early into Friday morning, just before 6 a.m., already seeing the tail end of this system. It slowly starts to exit as we head throughout the rest of our day on Friday, leaving us with dry conditions into Friday afternoon. However, we still have a couple uncertainties, not only with the exact track, but we may still see a little bit of rain mixed in even further north, which ultimately will impact how much snow we pick up. But notice we will end up seeing those impacts early Friday morning. You can expect slushy conditions on the roadways as we head out the door early Friday, with a lot of that exiting and clearing out by the time we head into Saturday. That is going to be our brief break, with another chance for snow returning Saturday night, early into Sunday. You'll notice once that activity does move through tomorrow, it'll drop us into the 30s. And as we head into your most accurate 10-day forecast, you'll notice we finally see some sunshine next week. Don't forget to set your clocks forward an hour. Come Sunday, we can finally spring forward, and we end up back into the 40s just in time for St. Patrick's Day.